What's up, man? We're back with another video and we're gonna be unboxing a pretty cool shoe, man. Pretty cool sneaker. It's not one that I'm probably gonna end up keeping because I do have the Air Jordan 1 low neutral grays. I really thought about keeping them, and then also I just recently picked these up that I didn't even share with you guys. These right here, man. I ended up picking up lot number 8. I thought it was one of the cleanest lots out of all the off-white dunks, and I felt like I had to at least get one. It was the cheapest too, so I wasn't, you know, I didn't have the type of money to spend on something crazy, and I just wanted a little piece of history, man. But yeah, I have those. So you guys see by the thumbnail, I'm gonna be doing it on feet. First of all, I just want to say thank you to everybody. Please hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. Hit the subscribe button, means everything to me. Just growing this little platform on our own, and I say our own is because it's your platform too, man. You guys can share your opinions, just ask questions, whatever you need. You know, hit me up in the comment section. I pretty much answer my comment section like it was a text message, because that's all I really have when it comes to social media. I don't have anything else. I don't use nothing else. All I have is YouTube. So if you guys want to get a hold of me, just hit up the comment section, man. We could chop it up. Also, I just want to say thank you to everybody that's been hitting the like button. If you guys do want to help the channel grow, and it's absolutely free, like for real, man, it's gonna help out a lot when you guys hit the like button. It just helps out so much. All you have to do is hit pause, you know, go hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and then come back to the video. But anyway, man, let's get started. First of all, I do want to shout out one of my boys, man, Dirty. Of course, you guys always hear me shouting him out. He used to have, well, he used to drop content, and he still has his channel, so hopefully maybe one day he'll come back to drop in some content for you guys. But he actually blessed me with a pair of P-rods and a size 9.5, and I just wanted to show you guys these real quick. Shout out to Dirty for the blessing. I was actually gonna do a review on September 16th, but it was just a tough day on that day, so I couldn't really do the review for you guys, but here they are, man. Dope shoe. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys picked these up. Let me know if you guys think that this is one of man, could I get, all right, focus, thank you. Let me know if you guys think that this is one of the sneakers, one of the best releases of the year. I know that they were super hyped when they first released. They're hitting like $900, and now they're hitting for about 60. They're hitting for about $600. So he gave me a really good price, man. Super good price. And thanks, man. Appreciate you, bro. Moving on to this is what you guys came to see. This is what you guys want to see. This is what is on the thumbnail. So this is what we're gonna talk about. We're gonna talk about dunk lows. I want to know what you guys think. Do you guys feel like there's just too many? Like, to me, I feel like the more the merrier. The more sneakers that Nike can produce for us, the better for us. I'm gonna take these glasses off because it's just leaving a huge glare. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think that they should stop releasing so many dunks? I actually think it's a good thing, man. I think the more you guys saturate the market with dunks, it's gonna be a lot cheaper for everybody. Everybody was complaining last year, including myself, about the price point. So I feel like well, I guess the resale price point, nobody complains about $110 retail or however much it was. I think maybe these were $100. Keep dunking them, keep oversaturating the market, because it's just gonna help people like me and you, people that enjoy the sneakers. It's just gonna help us, you know, have a better chance of buying these shoes without paying an arm and a leg. So right now these are sitting about $200, and yes, it's a lot of money, but hey, man, it's better than last year and the year before, or maybe a little bit before last year, whenever dunks were going for like 5 times their box value. So yeah, I think it's a good thing, man. I think just keep dropping as many colorways as you guys can, and just keep restocking them until eventually, you know, it's like an Air Force One, you know, because this is a great looking shoe, and I think a lot of people that really do want to get their hands on these to wear them to school, to wear them wherever, you know, just to have a nice pair of dunks. I think you know, you're blessing them. The colorway is white gray fog, Nike Dunk Low Retro, and it is $100 retail. So yeah, it was $100. I paid $114 because I paid $5 extra for shipping. I actually got a W on my daughter's sneakers app. You know, I haven't, like, my OG, my original sneakers app has not been hitting at all. It's weird. I used to hit a lot, like non-stop, you know, just hitting on my own app. I didn't need any other apps, and I started creating other apps, and I've been actually getting somewhat of what I wanted this year. Yeah, man, let's take a look at these things. Here they are. You know, they got that real stiff leather. I mean, it's not bad. Never mind. I can't even say that. I haven't even really reviewed it, but I'm guessing it's gonna be like the black and white, the panda dunks that they call the lows. Let me open. Let me get out of the way. Go. All right. So the quality isn't gonna be the best, all right? Yeah. I mean, just feeling the toe box when I pull them out, the quality ain't gonna be the best. It's just not. It's a oh my goodness, it's $100 shoe, and it's just not gonna be the best, all right? But it's so plain and so simple that I could see why these shoes are going for a little over 200 bucks. In my eyes, I think that these shoes should be going for like 130, 100, and maybe a little over retail, since they are dunks. And you guys know the popularity that's surrounding these things right now is pretty heavy, and I think that that's why they're going for so much. You know, they're just more popular than the Air Jordan 1. But yeah, what you could expect is just the leather quality just being kind of stiff, so you're gonna see some serious creasing on the toe box. So I recommend you guys maybe buy some sneaker shields. They should have them at any Foot Locker or any foot store. But yeah, man, cool shoe. It's really not that bad. If you guys are thinking about picking these up, go ahead. Maybe just wait a little bit longer, who knows. I don't think these released on too many sites. I don't think like Foot Locker or those guys got them. I think only Finish Line. I think only a very select few people actually got these in, a few retail stores anyway. But yeah, there's a few stitching flaws here. I don't know if you guys could pick that up, but right here there's the little stitching flaws. And I mean, the shoe's cool, man. Like I said, it's gonna be super wearable, easy to wear, easy to rock. You could wear these with anything. It's a really neutral color. You know, that fog gray with that white. You know, it's just really neutral, and it's just a simple dunk, man. You know, and I just wanted to talk about, like, you know, it's crazy how dunks have just taken over. But anyway, man, let me know what you guys think about these shoes here. Let me know what you guys think about the market as far as dunks go. I know a lot of you guys, and I already know how you guys feel about it. You guys are just sick of them already. But, you know, I just feel like just keep pumping them out, man. Keep dropping different colorways. So many colorways that we get sick of them, and anybody and everybody that wants to own a pair is able to get a pair. I'm a sneaker enthusiast, so I believe that if you really want the shoe, you should be able to get it. You shouldn't have to sell your left nut for a pair of these, man. But anyway, man, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, let me know if you guys hit on the sneakers app. Let me know how your luck has been on the sneakers app. But yeah, and it's your boy, man. It's your boy Jay. We're out of here. Saludos. Hasta luego. Next video, I'll be back. You know, hit that pause button, man. Subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 2,000 subs. Yeah, man. Ladies, take it easy, man.
I count up so much money lately. I count up so much that they hate me. Yeah, I make niggas mad cause they ain't me. I been in my bag going crazy. I'm not poor, but I'm with my nigga Stacy. I know they gon' hate, that's why I don't let it faze me. Remember left on red with no bread on the daily. Get into the guap, not even on a daily. Leave me alone, don't hit my phone. If it ain't about the guap, he run the mouth, but it's okay, he gonna meet the mob. I count up so much money lately for all the lives that they gave me. I count up so much money lately. I count up so much that they hate me. Yeah, I make niggas mad cause they ain't me. Yeah, I been in my bag going crazy. I count up so much money lately. I count up so much that they hate me. Yeah, I make niggas mad cause they ain't me. Yeah, I been in my bag going crazy. Yeah, I been in my bag going crazy. I do not know why these niggas hate